अब आपको लिए चलते हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जज जस्टिस आयशा मलिक लाहौर में तकरीब से खिताब कर रही हैं।
You can stop the rabies as well or deal with it. So there was no move or drive to stop the rabies, but there was a drive to kill the animals. Anyway, that initiated a conversation of having a policy on dog culling. It initiated a conversation to create some sort of a control on how societies, just regular housing societies, their guards go around killing the dogs. And for me, the problem was that you're pulling out guns and killing animals in broad daylight on the road where there's public and their children. Everybody's seeing that. So it's very, it's not a nice sight for children to see or for people to see. The second problem is, what are you doing with the dead carcass? Now, I happen to be doing another case which shared with us what was happening with that dead carcass. And that was just unimaginable that those dead bodies were being sold at a very limited, small price to people who would then use the bone marrow, crush the bones and take out from the bone marrow, extract whatever they needed to go on and the gelatin to sell it to companies that are using it. So, I mean, you have to really think about it. That, this is how we are proceeding with things. We're okay with dog culling on the streets. We're okay with the carcass being sold. We're okay with small home industries using, drums to extract bone marrow. We're okay with it. And when I say we're okay with it, I mean, do we all think about it? Do we stop for a minute to think this is not the way things are supposed to be done? There's always a better way to do it. One, there's always a way to think about how to deal with the issue moving forward. There are countries to draw examples from. Turkey, Nepal. I mean, just see the way they deal with their stray animals. Stray animals, of course, have become, the talk of the day now. There's so much work being done there, and it's good to see the initiatives that people have taken. But again, I say collective, we have to have